Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Vere Sketchup Guru channel. Here I am your mentor Suraj Gupta, and here you will learn how to create this kind of model in a sketch. Okay, today's tutorial we will just talk about how to create this twisted uh, parametric model in a sketch. Here we will use two different kind of SketchUp plugin and we will discuss in a detail guys. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon button for a latest update guys. Let's start. So first guys, you'll have to create a simple basic model like that. So how to do it? I create one just in a fast forward mode. Okay, just watch it. Done guys. Okay, so now this is in one row. So now here we will use a a scale tool to twist this model. Okay, so just select this model and click over this icon, click on a center, then click at the midpoint of the group, then drag your mouse or just simply type 180. Okay, now you can see your model is twisted 180 degrees. Okay guys, nice. Now what you'll have to do now, just select this model and now we will use this to bend plugin. So just click here, click at this string and drag your mouse, type 360 and then enter, and then again enter. So you can see after doing this your model are just twisted at this first time in a single direction and then second time in circle. Okay, so this is the method to create some cool 3D model, organic model SketchUp. There are lots of many ways to create this kind of model and other different kind of organic model in a SketchUp. So what's your thinking about this video guys? If you think this video will help you, then please comment in a comment section guys, and please share, subscribe and like my channel. And thanks for watching guys. See you in the next episode with some cool and new videos and some new ideas. Okay, so thanks for watching, have fun.